Hi, and good afternoon to all of me Germany's fans. Yeah, we might get one love from Mexico, but we don't know Germany never beat Mexico yet. That's what I say. So, no matter how bad your side is, you have another side that they will come and take it down. See me? Which my proud of my side and put out the effort and thing, but them never scoring a goal. But give thanks to Germany and Germany to the world. I don't know, we now switch. Now hold another flag. Germany, you see me I say. Love Germany side, win or lose. Straight. And big up all of my Germany fans them out there. You see what I say? Yeah man. Everybody a mark and a laugh off of we say, yeah, we get one love. You see what I say? Things happen for a reason. I know Germany a come back strong. Straight. Big up yourself, Germany. We still love you same way. Still have faith in you and we still trust in you same way. I would know you're gonna do better. Straight.